Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, or on today's video, we're gonna be learning the pros and cons of actually AI on African industry when it comes to fashion industry rather. So I want to dive into actually mention some of the pros that I think they're gonna impact the fashion industry in Africa, and also knowing very well that we Africans, we love our African outfits when it comes to heritage and culture. And I just want to give also some disadvantages of AI, knowing very well that we are in the world, or we are in the or in the period whereby AI is taking all over, like it is taking the world in storm. So welcome to my channel, and let's have this conversation together. Okay. Now, without even wasting time, the very first pro, or the very first advantage that AI gonna have on fashion industry in Africa, it is that it's gonna be in terms of improved efficiency. AI can streamline various processes in the fashion industry, including inventory management, production planning, and supply chain optimization, resulting into improved efficiency and reduced cost for African fashion businesses. So that is the very first thing that I want to share with you. Now, coming at number two, the advantage of AI, it's gonna be like in terms of enhancement or enhanced personalization. AI powered algorithm can analyze customer data and actually preferences to offer personalized recommendations and also suggestions, leading to a more satisfying shopping experience for consumers in Africa. So that is very important, knowing that we love unique stuff. Like for me, I love something that has like for instance, it when it actually gets my name or what I like, how it should be. So it's gonna be very good in terms of actually personalization. Okay. Now, another advantage of AI on the fashion industry in Africa, it is that it's gonna create a lot of design innovation. AI can assist African fashion designers in creating innovative and unique design by analyzing large quantities of data, predicting future trends, and offering new perspectives and techniques. Okay, so if you are a designer, don't think. Of course, I know most of you will argue with me and tell me, "Oh, AI is taking what other artists have actually done." Of course it is, but if you are a designer, you know how unique you are. You can go to an AI software, whether it is actually describing a certain trend, or whether it is actually just doing what, brainstorming your creativity or ideas, and it's gonna actually give you, and you're gonna make something unique, rather than just making everything that everybody is actually wearing or actually everybody is doing. Okay. Now, another advantage that I see in AI when it comes to fashion in Africa, it is that it's gonna actually, in terms of visual try on and customization. Now, this video, the images that you are seeing, they are actually AI generated. They are not real people. And you can see, if you are a person very keen enough, you can take a picture of AI generated image wearing a certain outfit and go to a tailor or a designer and actually tell that person to make exactly the same like that. And if that person has creativity in him or in her, they're gonna deliver what AI has on them. So AI can actually enable visual try-on and customization features, allowing customers to see how a garment will look on them before purchasing it. This can improve the online shopping experience and reduce returns to African fashion brands. Now, coming at my fifth advantage of AI on African fashion, it is in terms of sustainability. AI can help in reducing waste and carbon footprint in African's fashion industry by optimizing material usage, predicting demand accurately, and also facilitating circular economy in initiatives. Okay. Now, like we all say, there's nothing in the world which has advantage that doesn't have its own disadvantage. Now let's see the disadvantage of AI in the fashion industry in Africa. I know this is one of those topics that people don't want to speak about it, but let's just talk about it and see how it's gonna impact us, if at all it's gonna take like it's gonna be in reality. It is already in reality. Okay, now the very first con that I have noticed or I'm going to speak about it is limited access and affordability. Now, the adoption of AI technologies in African fashion industry may be limited due to the lack of access to advanced technology, also limited financial resources for smaller fashion businesses. Remember, this AI technology, it is very expensive in terms of actually even the machines that we need, implementing the softwares that are needed. And we know African, of course, it is a developed continent, but sometimes in smaller, like let's say, let's think about that smaller person or that smaller business person or a smaller person who is into tailoring or into fashion, they might not be able to actually access some of these technologies. Okay, so that can limit them from using it, and it's gonna actually bring or be a problem. Okay, a disadvantage rather. Now, coming at number 2, which is very, very sure thing that's going to happen, it is job displacement. Now, the integration of AI technologies in various aspects of the fashion industry may lead to job displacement for certain roles, especially those that can be automated. This could negatively impact employment opportunities, especially for low-skilled workers. It is unfortunate that it's going to happen, or it is already being, or it is already happening in other world. So it can actually be a very big issue, or it's gonna be a very big problem to job displacement. Like, people will be displaced when the machine will start doing all these kind of jobs. Now, coming at number 3, the disadvantage of AI on fashion industry in Africa, it is in terms of cultural appropriation. Okay, now the use of AI in design innovation may unintentionally lead to cultural appropriation, as we all know that algorithms might replicate traditional African design without proper understanding or respect for their cultural significance. Now, in Africa, we all love our culture. We all know that African people, or we adore our cultures and heritage, even in ceremonies, in different kinds of occasions. And if we over rely on the machines, or if we over rely on the AI thing, remember, AI is not a human being. Okay, they are not a human being, even though there's human being behind them, but in reality they are not human beings. They do not have value. Okay, so they do not understand, and it's going to be a very big issue in terms of actually cultural appropriation, or it's going to replace, or it won't understand the culture of Africa. Okay, even for the future generation, they won't understand it. If we're gonna rely on AI, they won't actually have that part of culture and heritage as we do. Okay, now coming at number 4, it is in terms of data privacy and security concerns. The increase of AI in the fashion industry involves collecting and analyzing large amounts of customer data, raising concerns about data privacy and security. It is very important to actually establish robust data protection measures to safeguard the customer's personal information. Okay? Now, coming at my last point, which is a disadvantage of AI on fashion industry in Africa, it is dependency on the technology. Over-reliance or over-relying on AI technologies in the fashion industry may lead to reduced emphasis on human creativity, craftsmanship, and also individuality. Okay, the unique cultural heritage and craftsmanship of African fashion may be compromised if AI become the dominant force in design and also production. So yes, we love and we want new things, or we want to innovate some new things in Africa, but in reality, if we over-rely on AI, we might lack, or we might lose our creativity as human beings. In conclusion, I have to conclude and say that the integration of AI technologies in the fashion industry in Africa offers numerous advantages such as improved efficiency, enhanced personalization, design innovation, visual try-on, and customization. But however, it is also important to address the challenges and potential drawbacks, including limited access to affordability, job displacement, cultural appropriation, and also data privacy and security concerns, as well as dependency on technology. Now, by actually as acknowledging and proactively addressing these concerns, AI can contribute positively to the growth and development of the fashion industry in Africa while respecting its cultural heritage, promoting sustainable practices. So I hope guys you have understood my video today. I'm very sorry because my voice is not good. I have flu and I'm feeling a little bit dizzy. So until next time again, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
All for you. All for you. All for you. All for you. It's been a long time I've been waiting for you. I got my feelings up and it's just for you. I just need a little bit of time to breathe in and out. I just need a little bit of time to ease up my mind. All for you. Situation got me running like I'm losing my mind.